Hello students, let me explain the figures of speech main used here. See the line needs knowledge exceedingly wide. Here the important figure of speech is hyperbole. Hyperbole means what? The vast amount of knowledge that a vet needs to possess has been exaggerated, overstated by using the word exceedingly. And another figure of speech is inversion, means correct word order of the sentence has been changed. The words in the line have been rearranged for poetic effect. The correct order should be needs exceedingly wide knowledge. Now see the line. He must know why the cat is refusing her milk. Here alliteration. Which sound has been repeated? H and M sound has been repeated. And next see the line. Why the coat of horse is not shining like silk? So simile is there. A direct comparison has been made between the shine of the horse coat and silk with the use of the word like. Now see the line. Why the parrot does nothing but groan? Here onomatopoeia, that means the word groan denotes the sound made by parrot. Now see the line. Why so faint the canary bird sings? Here inversion is there. The words in the line has been rearranged for poetic effect. The correct order should be why the canary bird sings so faint. Now see the line. And if he is called to the zoo, he must say. Repetition is used here. Which word has been repeated? He has been repeated. Next see the line, an incredible number of things. In this line, hyperbole is used. That means the detailed explanation to be given by the vet has been exaggerated by using the word incredible. So in this way, you have to write critical means main figures of speech and give proper explanation when you write answers. Thank you.